sea in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. I'll hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on a noose around your neck. And I find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. Know my name as it's called again. Cause I have other things to fill my time. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and plug my ears. I can see it in my tears. I know I could despite my faults, despite my growing fears. But I'll hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain. I will change my ways. Know my name as it's called again. So come out of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down.